In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off your antivirus on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the top menu bar and then select System Settings. And now you want to select General on the left side, and then on the right side, select Storage. Scrolling down, you want to go underneath the Application section and select a little circle with an eye in it. Go ahead and select that. Locate the antivirus in question on the list here and just go ahead and double click on it to open it up, and then go through the settings for that particular antivirus to turn it off. Again, that'll be antivirus dependent. You can also disable or turn off the firewall, and then on the left side, network, and just select that. Should be a firewall button over here on the right. Select it, and then you just toggle it to the off position to disable, and that's all you have to do. Or obviously turn it on by toggling to the right, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.